Hey Tubes, it's Blazer Project. Well, we're going to be working on something in the garage, but first, major update. I know I fell off the freaking face of YouTube, but let's just say it has not been fun at all lately. So, quick update. Started with toolbox, the fuel pump went out, so got that fixed. Had a rental car. Windshield broke on the rental car, and then the front bumper got scuffed. So, had to deal with insurance and everything like that. Then, I had two videos probably primed and ready. One being me putting the blade on the big mower, which it's just fine the way it is. Yeah, it ain't pretty, but heck, it's a work horse, nothing more. And then I tried to get this thing going. Had footage of everything. Then it got corrupted completely, all of it. So, yay. Blazers where we last left it, getting the frame off, the body. I'm still going to move it forward, but as you can see, I've got a mess and a half to clean up. So, tool's going to be getting used. I've got to get some planting equipment where it needs to go. I got to move a trans, axle. I just got to spend like a day or two cleaning this area up and taking care of things. But enough with the updates, and also the wind starting to howl. And if you're hearing me allude a horse, it's called I'm getting over a virus that was going around, and so forth. So there's that. Okay, where's the plug-in? There it is. Try and get some light in this place. Got that. That's the project today, is getting that at least running. Because we're going to try and sell it. Aha. That's better. This little generator, 6.5 Briggs, it's been sitting over in that corner for who knows how long. I did stay build fuel, but let's just say I have no clue what condition the fuel's in, or even if it's still viable. So, let me set up the tripod. Gonna go through the oil and everything else, just make sure it's all good. And maybe we can fire it up on the fuel, maybe not. So, let's dive into it. Alright, you're gonna hear the door because, well, let me move you guys back a little. There we go, that's better. You're gonna hear the door because the wind is blowing today. We had over an inch of rain. So, let's get this fuel tank off first. And just see how bad the fuel really is. Because I made sure it would run the last time we did. I had it running. But who knows? Oils looks to be in very good shape. Of course, I did an oil change when I put it up. So, there's that. Now I just gotta remember how this thing. Okay, there are two back there. Different sizes. Bigger. Okay, socket set. Bingo. Back to here. Move you guys forward so you can see. That's amazing. The motor mounts are in good shape still. Okay, we be loose. But, aha, there's always that freaking one hidden bolt. Alright. Get an extension. Okay, why are you not come? Loose of all damn things. Okay, change of plans. Because we can't get the tank off, we're going to pull it on the carb side. So, I also think that's what happened last time. Oh, that's a train. Alright. Filter's still good. That's awesome. Pull the shield cover off. That idiot's back. that one. And that one. So, gasket's still in good shape. That is still off. There's not much fuel left in this thing. Oh yeah, I got that freaking measuring cup. Be right back. Clean this thing out real quick. Alright, pliers. I hate these green clips. But that's nice. No fuel came out of the line. So, huh. Fuel's still red like Sta-Bil. And it looks to be in pretty good shape still. Also, if you ever want to double check like your fuel that's been sitting out and so forth, get one of these freaking measuring cups, the Pyrex style from like Walmart, Dillon's and so forth, for like cooking and so forth. This is a Fire King. Well, that's what it says. I've had this around for who knows how long. But this thing, I tell you, I do not know how many times this has saved my life in showing me just what I have as far as like if there's water in the fuel and so on. It just so nice to have. Alright. Looks like this store is still decent to run after all this time. So, I'm actually going to go mix it in with some good fuel and we'll go from there. So, before I do that though, let's take a look at the bowl. Still even smells like gas. That's amazing. Alright, it's another 10. Let's try a 12. 13. Come on. It looks like it's a 13. That's tightening. Come on. Ha, got you to turn. Awesome. And it's a soft spot. a tough spot. Washer's in good shape still, that's awesome. There's a little bit of crud down in there. Nothing that can't be cleaned. So I'm going to shut the camera off, get this cleaned up, get some good fuel in this thing, and so forth. And when I turn you back on, hopefully we'll be starting this thing. But for the most part, I'm pretty impressed. Hopefully it fires up without trouble so I can put this out in the other shed and hopefully we can make 150, 200 bucks off of it. Sweet. Alright, so let's see if this thing runs. Turn it on, choke's on, fuel's on. I put 2 Strical mix in here. Not a lot, but enough to run it that way when it gets going. The rings have something else to seat on. So, let's see what happens. Going for a load. Going just fine. We'll sit there and run for a few. So pretty much, that's around 100 to 200 bucks right there. So pay attention to my Instagram because I'm going to be putting on there what I'm doing as far as cleanup goes. So I'm going to let this thing run, shut you guys off. I've got some cleanup to do. So like, subscribe, comment, follow me on my Instagram page, which will be down in the description. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.